Welcome to our channel. Wi-Fi Security Best Practices, Setup Guide 2025. Change that default router password. First thing, don't keep the factory login. Everyone knows it, and it takes 2 minutes for someone to guess admin. Go into your router page, set a strong unique one. Use WPA3 if your router supports it. Still using WPA, time to move beyond it. WPA3 is harder to crack. Check your router settings, pick WPA3. If your devices doesn't support it, at least run WPA2 with a solid password. Kill WPS. WPS button looks handy, but it's a big hole in your network. Turn it off. No excuses. Rename the SSID. Don't keep TP-Link 1234 or Linksys_default. Change it to something boring but not personal. No house numbers, no last names. Something like Net25 works fine. Split up 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Give them different names. Example, Home 24 and Home 5. That way you know what device is running where and it's easier to troubleshoot later. Guest network is your friend. Don't give visitors your main Wi-Fi. Enable guest mode, separate password, limited access. This keeps your main network safe. Update router firmware. Nobody likes doing it, but routers get security patches. Go into the admin panel, check for updates. If auto update is there, switch it on. Turn off remote management. Unless you enjoy strangers poking at your router from the outside, disable this. It's usually buried under administration or remote access. Leave it off unless you really need it. Keep track of connected devices. Open your router dashboard once in a while. See what's connected. If you don't recognize something, boot it. Change password if needed. Reboot and reset once in a while. Sometimes the simplest fix is power cycling. Reboot every so often. And if things get messy, don't be scared to reset and reconfigure. It's annoying, but it cleans out old junk. Thank you for watching.